What's up folks, and welcome back to the garage. Today I will finish the wiring of Volvo's new ignition system. I probably will move this control unit or central unit. I don't actually know what this is, what unit this is, but as you can see the wires are a little too short, so I will probably move it somewhere there, and then I try to find suitable plugs for spark plugs, so I can put new cables on. Then this is the gauge and some other wiring. This is coming from ignition lock, and this is coming from distributor. So, and this is ground wire. So there's quite many wires to fix. The coil, I think this is quite good place for the coil. And but I will do some wiring. I will put the camera on the stand so you can follow what I'm doing. I decided to put this unit here, so it's much easier to do the wiring when it's close to coil. And I took this coil also off, but I decided to put it back where I take it away, because now there's enough room for the hood to close, so it should be okay, and it's much easier to do the wiring. These cables for battery, they will move in the future, because I will move this battery. It should be okay to be here now. I just have to finish the wiring. Well, this takes a little bit more time I expected, but it is what it is. These are on the places, and then I put the wires down here. I use this black wrap. So the first one goes here and ends somewhere here. I will cut it a little bit, so this is way too long still. And the gauge wire is coming from here, and this yellow one is coming from ignition switch. I will put them together with the wrap also from here. So I have everything ready for connections, and the ground wire is there ready, and the wire from this unit to distributor goes down here and here and goes there. So now the wires should be okay. This is not the perfect setup, but it should be okay. Wiring done. The wires go from here, from this unit to coil, and from the coil to ignition switch, and the second goes to the gauge, and the wires from the unit goes right there to distributor. Okay, this is not the nicest thing possible, but it's easy access, so it should be okay. It's good for me. These cables are still old because I couldn't find the nuts that comes to the head of the spark plug, so that's why I have to use this old one, but I will probably change the new plug, so then the problem will be solved after that. So, job done. Yes, now the wiring is okay, and I hope we got some more horsepower. Maybe. At least we didn't lose any, I hope. I will do the test drive when the weather gets better. It's autumn here in Finland. It's raining. Today we got the first, actually it was the second time we had snow, so no possibility to go outside today. It will be, I believe that with this system we will get better spark, so it will be interesting to see what's gonna happen when I put those new carburetors in, but that's another story. But I have a small request. Please broke the like button. Hit it like crazy. Thank you. And please give me some comments. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do it right away and press also the bell. So, thanks for watching and see you soon.